I don't know how to break it to you, but the car industry is just like any other. If you get the customer excited and create a sense of urgency, they are more likely to buy right then and right there. The simple act of putting an expiration date on a coupon usually increases redemptions by 30 to 40%. Car sales events are designed to do the same damn thing. There are dozens of companies that consult with dealerships and help them plan sales events based on different types of themes. Typically, you'll see dealerships advertising red tag sales, Thanksgiving weekend sales, and other special holiday themes like President's Day sales event. You get the point. What's amazing is that a lot of car buyers continue to fall for this tactic. There's a lot of buyers who actually wait until a major holiday to go car shopping. This is usually a terrible idea because you don't want to be negotiating for a car on days when the dealership is very busy. When they have a lot of potential customers, there isn't as much pressure to offer you a good deal on a vehicle. The only exception is around the Christmas holidays when there are less shoppers and dealers are trying to hit their yearly sales goals. But the fact of the matter is this: these special dealer sales events are nothing more than a simple marketing tactic that gets buyers to act on emotion rather than logic. The next time you see a special dealer sales event advertised, just ignore it. You're much better off shopping for a car on a slow day when they're more desperate for sales. If a dealer is willing to offer a great deal during a sales event, you can bet they will offer the same deal, if not better, after that event. So do you have any car buying stories you want to share with my audience? Maybe a cautionary tale to save them money or time or stress? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have a video topic idea, jot that down as well. And please click subscribe. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Hey, I want to let you know about a new feature on EverymanDriver.com. It's a car payment calculator you can use anytime when you're trying to figure out what your potential loan amount is and the monthly payment figure. So what you do is you type in the vehicle price, your down payment, trade-in figure, sales tax, interest rate, and the term of the loan. Click calculate, and then you'll figure out the loan amount and the monthly payment. It's a free tool now available on EverymanDriver.com.